In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an autoresponder in ActiveCampaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an automation that sends an email as soon as someone joins your list. First, make sure you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account and you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the menu and click on Automations. This is where all of your automated workflows live, and it's the place you'll come back to whenever you want to edit or check your autoresponders. Once you're on the Automations page, go to the top right corner and click on the button that says Create an Automation. This opens up the setup window for a brand new automation. ActiveCampaign will show you a few templates, but for full control and to keep things simple, choose the option that says Start from Scratch, then click Continue. Starting from scratch helps you clearly see each step you're building and understand how everything connects. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger, which is what tells the automation when to start. In this case, we want the automation to run whenever someone joins one of your email lists. So select Subscribes to a list as your trigger. You'll then be asked to pick which list you want to use. Choose the list you want new subscribers to be added to, then confirm by clicking Add Start. Now, whenever someone signs up and is added to that list, this automation will kick in automatically. After the start trigger is in place, you'll see the automation builder path. Click on the plus icon, the small plus symbol along the path. This is how you add new actions to your workflow. A menu will appear with different categories of actions. Choose Sending Options, and then select Send an Email. This tells ActiveCampaign that the next thing it should do after someone subscribes is send them an email. A modal window will pop up, asking you to either choose an existing email or create a new one. For a fresh autoresponder, click on Create an Email. From here, you can name your email, choose a template, and design the content. Make sure your subject line is clear, your message is welcoming, and you include any key information you want new subscribers to see right away. When you're happy with your email and the automation path, look to the top right and turn the automation toggle to Active. This is an important step. Your automation will not run until it's active. Once you switch it on, your autoresponder is live, and new subscribers to that list will automatically receive your email.